Thank you. Oh, yeah. Good job.
Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here. So let's jump into it. Before we get started though, I do want to put a little disclaimer that Boxycharm did send me this box to try. Here is the product card, and this month's theme is Super Bloom. And the first product in this month's Boxycharm base box that you could possibly receive inside your box is the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. And this is a unique facial serum that has rare gold hibiscus extract in it. And that smooths and evens the skin tone while providing brightening and anti-aging benefits. It also helps make pores less visible and gives you a pearl-like finish. Here's what it looks like outside of the box, you guys. It is so gorgeous. I have this on today and I just feel like my skin is really glowing from within. The Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter retails for $50. Next in this month's Boxycharm base box is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. And this is a body hydrating and resurfacing serum that really leaves the skin super smooth. I am super excited to try this out. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body retails for $40. Next, we have the Ciete London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. And this is a gel balm tint kind of blush. And it looks a little something like this. It almost looks like a gloss. And then when you blend it out, it's got your tint, but it is super glossy and it smells like coconuts, you guys. It smells so good. I can see this like on those poolside sunny days. You're just gonna be glowing and just glossy and dewy and just looking like $1,000,000. The Ciete London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint retails for $20. Next, we have the V Cosmetic Liquid Velvet Lipstick, and this is in the shade Bubbly. I do not have this on today because I didn't feel like it would have matched my look very well. But you guys, this is such a stunning color, and it is so velvety, so smooth, and just so gorgeous. Look at that. The V Cosmetic Liquid Velvet Lipstick retails for $22. Next in this month's Boxycharm base box, we have the Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This is formulated with hemp seed oil, and it's going to really maximize that color intensity, and it's crease-free and up to 12-hour wear. So last but not least in this month's box, you guys, making their debut is Refreshments, and this is the Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit. And every product is made with at least 30% of post-consumer recycled materials to help reduce our impact on the earth. And inside here, let me open it. You're gonna have your razor, your little wall mount, and 2 cartridges. Super excited to try this out. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm base box. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get goodies delivered to your front door every single month. You can also take the beauty quiz on Boxycharm.com to help Boxycharm curate your box a little better to fit your needs. And charmers have the option to pick 3 products for their box depending on their membership. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me this box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.